going, guys? It's Shades back here with the Corvette boys. I have my man here, Wayne, with his beautiful pickup. My man, tell me a little bit about it. How long have you had it?
About 6 months now. It's a 52 Chevy 3100. It's custom made. It's got 24-inch extension on the cab. They made suicide doors on it. They got the fat boy fenders on it. We shortened the bed on the trailer, on the back, I should say. The running board's extended out. It's got a 10-inch posi rear.
And you also got a wheel-wood brakes. I know that all around the body. That is beautiful. That is beautiful.
The suicide doors do it. Then it's got the Nissan Stanza interior in it, all shaved down and custom fit to make it fit right.
That's beautiful right there. So what are you running on the engine here?
The engine's a small block 400 with a 400 trans in it.
Oh, that's beautiful. I know she gets up and go, doesn't she?
Oh, she does. She goes. She goes when she wants to.
Oh, that is beautiful. Look at that right there.
I got a high rise on this.
Listen to this exhaust, folks. This is mean. And as far as cruising on the highway, she's fine?
Perfect.
That's
fine.
beautiful.
So it's set up for cruising.
Got you. That's beautiful.
Oh, I like using it. So. It's going back in the shop to get repainted on the purple and the yellow. We'll take these off. Make it flat.
And what's the name of that the color you have there, that yellow and that purple?
Well, the purple is wild purple from True House of Colors, and the yellow is well, our friend Joe calls it Big Bird for his car. It's a House of Color yellow too. The exact color I don't know yet. But
that's a beautiful color. I like that. Especially that yellow. I like that. It's a similar color there.
The color scheme, really, yeah. The color scheme matches nice.
Okay, guys, this was Shades with another episode of Corvette TV. I appreciate you, Wayne, for taking your time out to show us your beautiful pickup truck. Until next time, make sure to like, comment, subscribe, and we're out.